beautiful peeps, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a flat twist on stretched hair. Now I did a stretched hair video a couple of days ago. It might have been a few days ago or a week ago actually, and now I'm just going to take an old stretch style and I'm going to do a flat twist on my stretched hair. So I love side parts on my hair. I just feel like the side parts look better on me. So I'm going to try to section my hair with a side part. However, I'm not going to do flat twist on I'm not going to section it straight because I don't like my parts my parts don't have to be straight, because all I'm going to do is just fluff it out in the end anyway. So I'm not concerned with my parts being accurate. I just need them accurate enough just for me to get the twist out. So I'm going to do like one large twist, and I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's flaxseed recipes don't shrink hair gel. And I'm also going to be using my wild hair growth oil. So those are the only two products I'm really going to be using today. So again, like I was saying, all I'm going to do is I'm going to do one large flat twist in the front, and then I'm going to do two on the side, and the rest I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist for the remainder of my hair. So first I want to start off with making sure that my hair is nice and detangled, and I will be using my wide tooth comb. And like I said, I am not concerned with the parts being even or not. I just need them even enough for me to get enough strand in the hair. So this is how the flaxseed gel looks. So I'm going to start this section with the ends and work my way up with the gel. Kind of shiny. Looks nice. Make sure my ends are evenly coated because they are the oldest section. So I'm just going to take like a section of my hair at the top, split it in two as if I'm just going to do a twist. I'm just going to twist it once, and then I'm going to start going down my hair and just adding a piece as I go down. Now mind you, please don't make fun of me. I am left-handed, so it probably looks weird to you guys. No left-handed jokes. So I'm gonna make sure that I continue to detangle all the way down so my hair is as smooth as possible. And if I need to add a little bit more product, and make sure that the ends are nicely coated. And I'm not going to be putting anything special on the ends. I'm just going to twirl them around my finger to make them secure. And there you have it. That is my first flat twist. So now I'm just going to start on the second section of my hair. And again, like I said, it doesn't have to be even. Sure those ends are coated, girls. I'm going to try not to pull so much on my edges because I am doctoring on them, so I just want to make sure I do not manipulate them too much. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a small section at the top, start twisting it, and then go down my hair, adding to it as I go down. Just going to grab a piece as I go down my hair. And that's basically how you do a flat twist. Again, left-handed. No left-handed jokes here. Thank you. And just twist the rest of the way down, adding more product when you need to for added security. trying to decide how I was going to do it, but again, I'm just going to do one more flat twist on the side, and I'm going to put the rest up and just flat twist bleh. Flat twist the remainder of my hair. Just twist. I just love saying flat twist when I don't mean flat twist. I'm going to flat twist this last section, and then the rest of my hair I'm just going to twist. Get those ends, girl, get those ends. Just making sure that it's nicely detangled and evenly coating my strands with the gel. A little bit more product on the way down. And just twist at the end. And there you have it, my little flat twist. Alright guys, so I'm going to speed up the remainder of the video and just like I said, do regular twists. Okay, so now that I have all my twists done, now I'm just going to show you the back of how my twists are looking. And the other side. There you have it. I'm going to take my wild growth oil and I'm just going to seal in my strands. Massage a little bit of the oil into my scalp as well, just to coat them, just to protect them. All right, and there you have it. It's reveal day. So my hair is completely dry and moisturized. I love how it's looking. Okay, so let's grab some of our hair growth oil, moisturize my fingers, and start taking down these twists. I like to start with the back usually and work my way up, just because I feel like the front, revealing the front, is like a big surprise. Plus I don't want hair in my eyes while I'm trying to see how it's looking, and I kind of like it. So I'm just gonna unravel them a little bit more to my liking, and I'm gonna start with the second twist. And be gentle, be very gentle when taking down your twist, because you don't want to snag your hair or anything. So when you're untwisting your hair and you're pulling it out, let it go where it wants to pull out. Don't force it to, because then you'll create frizz, and unless you want frizz, you know, if you want that, that's fine. But just to keep from creating frizz, if you do not want to, be gentle taking out your twist and let them separate where they want to separate. I probably could have did this one at the top in 2 twists, but I don't know, maybe I was just being lazy, but it's fine. But I love the definition that I've achieved. So I'm just going to add a little bit more oil to my hair. I'm sorry, my hands. I'm going to be unraveling my first flat twist. Wow. I like the definition. And I do like the shine. I'm just going to fluff it out a little bit. I'm undoing the second flat twist, moving my way up to the front. How did I miss that one? Make sure I didn't miss any others. But yeah, that's how it's looking. I like it. It's very shiny. I love it. And moisturized. Yay, it's time for the front. Revealing the front is always my favorite part. Separate this a little bit more, fluff it out a little bit. Well, actually it needs to be fluffed out a lot. I didn't really know what to do with the front of my hair. Like, I don't know if I want to put a barrette in it or I don't know. Just keep the side out, keep the side like it is, or keep that in the front, or I don't know. I'm gonna have to grab my pick and really fluff it out because I want it to be a little bit more fluffier. My hair is so fine that it just wants to do what she wants to do. But this is how the back is looking. Yes, very defined. I need to grab my pick. Like I said, I didn't really know what to do with the front, if I wanted to pin it back but I just I just ended up leaving it as bangs, just left it alone. So yeah, this is my flat twist look on stretched hair, old stretched hair. What do you think, guys? I like it. Not bad, not bad. She trying it, y'all. She trying it. Alright guys, so I love you. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, take care. I love you. Share with your friends. And as always, be safe out there. I love you. Thanks for watching. Mwah.